You're watching Cable 2.
The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to screen staff, students, parents, anyone that is visiting the school building. Please remember that everyone must be screened prior to entry into the school building. For those of you that are going to be doing the screening process, when you arrive at your screening station, you will use hand hygiene using hand sanitizer. And this is again, once you arrive at the screening station. You should have your screening flow sheet in front of you that goes through the process as well as the questions that you will be asking. And there will also be a copy of the screening protocol at each screening station. For this process, gloves are optional. You will not be having contact with individuals during the screening process, but if you prefer to have gloves, you certainly may, and they will be provided. As individuals approach, they will start at 6 feet. They'll approach the screening station. You will check the thermometer prior to use. Again, holding that 2 inches perpendicular to the forehead, checking the temperature reading. If they do not have a temperature, they have passed that part of the screening process. If, however, the individual had an elevator temperature of 100.4 or greater, they would be given a red card and asked to go to the isolation room. Assuming that the temperature reading shows no elevated temperature, you'll proceed with the screening process. There will be questions to be asked regarding symptoms, travel, and exposure. Assuming all those questions are no. For students and staff, parents, whoever's in the building, pass the temperature and the screening questions, and they have passed. They must use hand sanitizer and perform hand hygiene prior to proceeding for school entry. Once hand hygiene is complete, they can proceed on to the classroom or destination in the school. If, however, the individual answers yes to any of the screening questions, that they have symptoms, travel, or exposure, then they will be given a red card and again will be escorted to the isolation room. Each school will have a designated isolation room where those individuals who either answer yes to the screening questions or have an elevator temperature reading will need to go to.